Although Jamaica is malaria-free, persons are still at risk for getting the parasite. This is because people are constantly traveling to the island from areas where the parasite lives. TVJ's Shamela Pullen has this and more in the health report.
In 2012, the Minister of Health and Wellness declared that the country has been fully eradicated of malaria. But since that time, there have been cases of the parasite in the island. The most recent was November last year when 2 were reported.
So we don't expect in-island transmission because we are not currently a reservoir for it, but we are more at risk than we were 10 years ago because people are traveling very quickly. They may leave their home country with an infection and not manifest signs and symptoms until they're already here interacting with our population. So we're always at risk.
But even so, infectious diseases specialist Dr. Kathy Pate Robinson says Jamaica is still relatively safe. Malaria is a potentially fatal disease that is caused by a parasite.
With malaria, the challenges are that it creates a lot of fever, it breaks down red blood cells, so it gives you a challenge from a health perspective. You can get short of breath. Some people, if the fever is high enough, you can get seizures or fits. It can cause a lot of damage generally to the body. And then apart from that, and the fact that it can kill you, it can be difficult to treat depending on the strain you have and how drug resistant it is.
Dr. Pate Robinson says Jamaicans need to be a lot more careful about catchment areas and stagnant water where mosquitoes like to breed.
If you have your home screened and you can use your zapper and your repellents and your plugins, then you can at least protect yourself. And when you're outside for long periods, then try to apply repellent periodically, depending on the percentage, every 2, 4, or 6 hours. And then sometimes just using longer pants and shirts, avoiding dark colored clothes because mosquitoes like places to hide. So lighter colored and white clothes are preferred because then you can see the mosquitoes a lot more easily.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.